Another example of the Duchess Pheasant pattern bone china to show you this afternoon. Is it a milk jug? Is it a custard bowl? Is it a gravy boat? Could be used for any of those usage really. It's a very broad open 3.5 inch rough diameter, although it's not a round as you can see from if I hold it upright, it's more of an oval than a round. All the dimensions are on the website because they made these in a variety of different sizes, so do make sure you check the measurements and are comparing like for like. Factory marks on this: grey Duchess, Crown marks, Bone China, England. A little bit of wear around the base plate as you'd expect for something that's probably been around since 60s or 70s. It could be a little younger than that, but it's not been in production for several decades now. Really fine condition of the gilt on this. That's what really makes this an outstanding choice. Just look at the gilt, and if it's had heavy wear around the thumb rest or handle, that tends to be worn. This isn't. This is in nearly mint condition. Nice bit of rib moulding. You can see these lines moulded into the side of the jug. Really good. Fine examples of English bone china. A little dusty inside. That's not dirt. It is just a dust out of storage, which will wash off beautifully. So a nice period piece of Duchess bone china, pheasant design. Could be used as a large milk jug, but more really lends itself to either gravy sauce or other serving jug. Available for sale from the Vintage and Antiques website, so do follow the link below, which will pop into the description. If we can get a pictorial link going, we will do, and that'll take you through to the Vintage and Antiques website. I think we've got 2 or 3 of these in different sizes coming on, so do have a look through the catalogue, and quite a bit of Duchess Pheasant flatware coming on catalogue as well. A fantastic big set of dinner and dessert plates, as well as the teawares just about to be listed. And we've got some very rare china mugs, porcelain mugs. I think almost half a dozen of those in Duchess Pheasant design. So do have a browse on the website. Thanks for watching.